If your Windows clock is stuck in 24-hour format and you want to switch to 12-hour with AM and PM, I've got you covered. It's super easy. Let's do it real quick. First, click on the time in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Adjust Date and Time. Next, scroll down and click on Language and Region. Now look for Regional Format and click on Change Formats. Find Short Time, click on it, and choose the option that shows 2:0 p.m. instead of 14:0. And that's it. Your time format is now in 12-hour mode. It doesn't change right away. Try restarting your PC. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. See you in the next one.